Welcome back. If you've been missing important Snapchat alerts because your phone isn't making any sound, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Sometimes notification settings get changed without us even realizing it, especially after app updates or system changes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable Audible notifications on Snapchat on your Android device, so you never miss a snap or message again. Let's jump right into it. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all your device controls live, and it's the starting point for fixing notification issues. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will show you a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, find and tap on Snapchat. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. After opening Snapchat's app settings, tap on Notifications. This section controls everything related to how Snapchat alerts you. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This is where Snapchat organizes different types of notifications like messages, stories, and more. From here, look for Audible notifications and tap on it. This option controls whether Snapchat notifications make a sound or stay silent. Finally, select Alert. This ensures that your notifications will include sound, making them much easier to notice, even when your phone isn't in your hand.